Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with LookFantastic.
She always gets hers before me, so
not always, but maybe.
Well, most of the time lately. Or we might get it at the same time, but
that's usually it's nice and orange.
For summer.
I'm trying to show you with...
I know my nails are kind of like orange, but I think of fall for some reason now with the way
the box within the box, but that's really hard to do, so just take it out. Okay. So yeah, it's orange. Bright orange. We'll see if there's a card inside or a little pamphlet. Yay, a book. Oh, and this says, do more of what makes your soul radiate. I almost said radiant. Radiate. Do more of what makes your soul radiate.
Radiant would be nice too, though.
That's a good
And this on the front, it says radiance again, and then there's just the things on the inside that show you like what she's getting.
Yeah, it's almost like that with the little pamphlet on top. And let's see, the first thing I will pull out is Percy and Reed London Hair Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm.
And this is a miracle primer for your hair. I use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. This Percy and Reed balm makes hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine, and definition.
And then I have Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash.
I want to say Mio Mine.
It's just Mio. Gentle Golden Micellar Cleanser. Is that for the face or for the body? It says body wash.
It says with a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout, deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash, formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body.
I guess it could be Mio, huh? I'm just calling it Mio just because I want to.
Mio. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like,
okay, and then Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, Sea Kissed.
It says, deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized, refreshed, and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients.
And looks like you could have gotten, what, 2 different ones? Or no? Or is it just 2 different?
I don't know.
Okay, and then I have Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto.
Like, it's kind of powdery. It says creamy, let me just, if I can say that, non-comedogenic, I don't even know how you say that word, and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of color to your face whilst looking completely natural.
Looks like to be kind of like a, got some like
no
brown tint to it.
Comedogenic, how do you say it?
Come on. I don't know. I know we know it.
We should, but...
Okay.
2 more things.
And then I have Ico London's Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go Black.
It says, get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Ico Mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking, or crumbling, just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours.
And it says with caffeine for wide awake eyes, so don't know how they do that. But and then the last item is Caudaly's, am I saying it right? Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting.
I always think it's Caudaly.
Sorry.
A worldwide cult favorite, and for good reason. This Caudaly facial serum is packed full of viniferine, if I'm saying that, or viniferine, patented by Caudaly themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C, and is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks.
So good item.
Wow.
Yay, good job.
I know, some makeup in there. I like this box. I can't wait till I get mine, although I might put the blush in a giveaway. I'm not sure. But this video was fast enough for you. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.